Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into my Cash App on another phone. Let's get started. Moving your Cash App account to a new device is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure a smooth transition and to maintain the security of your account. I'll walk you through the entire process, from signing out on your old phone to setting up successfully on your new one. Let's start with the device where you are currently logged in, which we'll call your old phone. First, open the Cash App on that device. On the home screen, you will see your profile icon or your balance in the top left or top right corner. Tap on that icon. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu until you see the option that says Sign Out. Tap on it to securely log out of your Cash App account on that device. For an extra layer of security, and to ensure no cache data causes confusion later, it's a good practice to clear the app's data from your old device. Do not skip this step if you are selling, giving away, or no longer using that phone. To do this, exit the Cash App and open your phone's main settings app. Navigate to Apps or Applications. Then find and select Cash App from the list of installed applications. Inside the app info page, tap on Storage. Here, you will see two important options: Clear Cache and Clear Data, or Clear Storage. Tap on both to wipe any saved login information from the device. Confirm any prompts that appear. This ensures your personal information is completely removed from the old phone. Now, pick up your new phone. The first step is to download the official Cash App from the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Install the app just like you would any other application. Once the installation is complete, locate the Cash App icon on your home screen or app door and open it. The app will launch to a welcome or login screen. Since you already have an account, you need to log in. Tap on the Sign In option. You will be prompted to enter the phone number or email address that is directly linked to your existing Cash App account. It is crucial that you enter the exact contact information you used when you first created the account. After entering your phone number or email, Cash App will send a one-time verification code to that contact method. This is a critical security step to confirm your identity. Check your text messages or email inbox for the code. Enter the numeric code into the verification field in the Cash App on your new device. If you don't receive the code within a minute, you can usually tap a Resend Code option. Once the code is verified, you will be logged into your account. Your home screen should load, displaying your balance if you have one. Your transaction history and any linked bank accounts or debit cards should sync automatically, as this information is stored on Cash App's servers, not on the individual device. In some cases, you might be prompted to relink your bank card or debit card for security purposes. This is normal. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details again. If you no longer have access to the phone number or email associated with your account, for instance, if you change numbers, you will need to contact Cash App support directly through their website or app to recover your account before you can log in on a new device. And that's the complete process. You have now successfully logged into your Cash App on a new phone and can send, receive, and manage your money as usual.